the dignitaries on the dais, senior government officials, reps of industry, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to be here with you today, and it is heartening to note the interest of Indian private industry in defense manufacturing sector. In fact, military modernization programs will ensure that defense market grows in continuous manner the way it is going on now. Many of you must be thinking that defense is a lucrative market. Yes, it is true. There are big programs, and all the programs have huge dollar value. With indigenization and offset being the focus of Ministry of Defense, the private industry is definitely going to have huge scope of business. Micro, small, and medium industry and enterprises are definitely going to get the share of the growing business in defense market. Due to transfer of technology and offsets, as has been mentioned here, I think SMEs will have good benefit out of it, and involvement of private industry in defense production will definitely augment the indigenous defense production capability and lead to self-reliance, which is the need of the hour. Many of the foreign defense companies are keen to interact and get associated with Indian private and public industry with a view to explore the possibilities of partnership and cooperation. Lockheed Martin has been interacting with the local industry here, public as well as private, to explore the possibilities of potential partnership, and we have been successful to a great extent. Our focus in Hyderabad have been on various kinds of missile production, and we have been associating ourselves with the local industry as well as Bharat Dynamics Limited. In fact, Lockheed Martin and Raytheon are excited to get associated with the industry for production of anti-tank guided missiles with specific focus on Javelin. We have sought the approvals of US government, and we are hopeful that the approvals will be given in very short time of frame. As and when US government approvals are in place and we get the go-ahead from Indian government, we will start working with local industry to get the production facilities here. Some of you might have already been working with the defense market and have adequate experience, especially those who have been providing the raw material, parts, components, services, etc. to defense PSUs, ordnance factories, base workshops, and dockyards. However, I would like to share a word of caution with the new players. Getting qualified for manufacturing a defense component is a very tedious process. The development, testing, and evaluation is cumbersome and takes a lot of time. So those who want to come in defense market should have a lot of patience. And of course, when you get through the initial hurdles and get starting on the process, manufacture the components as per the specifications of the OEMs, then there is no end to it. It starts moving on, and then you start enjoying those lucrative incentives in the defense market. I must congratulate the organizers for organizing such a good event and wish them all the best. Success to all of you.